Marketer. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. I want to address a couple of Hey guys, we're going to jump right into this video. All the ingredients, I will have listed what the benefits are for your hair. So please just press pause if you need to read what the benefits are for your hair. So the ingredients that you're going to need is a tea bag, green or black. You can use flax seeds, and you're going to need some oil of your choice. I'm using grapeseed, and you're also going to need honey and also a pot with hot water in it. I did put 2 cups of hot water in here, and as the water got hot and started to boil, I did put my green tea bag in there. So now I have like a green tea rinse almost. But now I'm going to add a half a cup of flax seeds to my boiling water. The reason why I put the green tea bag in my water is because I am experiencing a lot of shedding from COVID, post-COVID. So I am trying to get my hair to stop shedding, you guys. And this is one way that I absolutely got my hair to stop shedding, is using green tea and black tea. So when you see your mixture start to foam up like this, that means that you're pretty well on its way. Your mixture is on its way to have a good slimy gel consistency from the flaxseed. So you can turn off your fire or your pot right now. Just turn it off, and before it's set and get really hard to strain out the flax seeds, you should just pour it right into a bowl or whatever you're needing to, like whatever bowl you have to keep your flaxseed mixture in. So you guys, hear what I'm doing. I have one of my DIY herbal hair balls, one of my little conditioner balls. I put that into the flaxseed because I did want my hair to have a lot more moisture to it and a lot more slip. So I did add this herbal conditioner ball to my DIY flaxseed because I didn't want my hair to have a crunch. And also I'm going to be adding in that honey. So you guys, this is just a really big concoction of yummy goodness for your hair. My hair was so soft, it was moisturized. I absolutely love the slip that this gave me. My hair has never felt so soft before. Like, this really made my hair so soft. So if you want to see how I apply this mixture to my hair, please stay tuned for the next video, and I will show you guys how I apply this mixture to my hair. But you guys, all I'm doing now is just mixing the flax seeds around, making that deep conditioner ball melt. And you guys, this was one of the best DIYs that I've ever put on my hair. So if you give this a try, please leave comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.